Good morning, everyone. Today's S&P 500 mindset is going to be as follows, so pay attention, okay? We have this prior low right here from yesterday's session. Ultimately, we are looking to retest that low before we look for a bounce in the market here, okay? So subjectively, what I'm really looking for today, best case scenario, is for us to get a nice little pullback here, get above some of these prior pivots, and then look for a retracement to come all the way back down to that prior low, and maybe even a little bit lower than that, okay? Now, alternatively to this scenario right here highlighted in blue is the fact that we could find ourselves in a range, okay? Now, the range will be a slightly harder to determine until like we kind of see the market move, but essentially what we would look for is a more shallow pullback that retests the low pretty much on a dot. And if you find the market, excuse me, to start navigating to the side, which basically is a barcode, you can then start to look for a shorting opportunity for this range, okay? Now, in this situation, we basically would look for that same level of support underneath as we look to rotate back to the downside, okay? So looking to try to capture some of this more bearish momentum, at least in the shorter term. And then once we get down to these levels that are highlighted in green, we can then look for bullish opportunities off of this low, in which we look to try to retest and go back up into the prior high, okay? So that's kind of the game plan and general concept for today's market session. And if you want to see me trade this exact same setup today, like literally the exact same setup, then join me right now, 9:30 a.m. for the live stream that I have on YouTube channel, Mr. Green or Red. Thanks for watching. See you on the next candle.